Well, here it is. The mist. There's powder everywhere.
He got
powder on my baby. Hi, baby. Powder on my Livy. Hi, Livy. Kimmy, let me see your powder. Yeah? You got some too.
Yeah, I got some too.
Sure did.
I'm gonna let this car clean it up.
The car's gonna clean it up?
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice. Look. Yeah. Oh. The windowsill. Wow. Hi, baby.
Baby.
Whoops. Baby just slipped in it.
Baby.
You just slipped in the powder?
Yeah.
Yeah. Olivia, did you do this? Where did you get the powder from? Olivia. Cammy. Did Livy do this?
Yeah.
Where did she get the powder from?
In that bottle.
In that bottle?
In the bathroom.
In the bathroom. Did you help her make this mess?
No.
No?
We just did it.
Cooper, did you help Livy make this mess?
You don't want this mess. You don't want Ruby to put this mess on me and Cooper, and you don't want Ruby to put this mess on the floor.
No, we don't want her to put this mess on the floor.
No. That couldn't make. We couldn't just walk in here.
Wow. Oh, it's everywhere.
Look at this.
Oh, look, all the way to the back door.
I made footprints all the way over there.
Thank goodness Lolly's outside.
I made footprints over here.
You did?
Yeah.
Now how are we going to clean this?
I don't know how we're going to clean this. I don't know how we're going to clean this. Isn't this the biggest hole in this footprints?
I guess we better get busy.
I guess we better get busy.
Olivia. Olivia, did you do this? Hey. Livy.
A big footprint.
Wow.
Mama, Mr. Piggy says a big footprint.
Are y'all going to help me clean?
Wait, I don't see a big footprint.
Hey, are y'all going to help me clean?
We're on it. Let me see. Yes, we are. See, it's a big footprint.
Cammy.
Oh,
Cameron.
that's really big footprint.
Cam, are you going to help me clean?
Big footprint.
Hello?
It really is.
Livy is?
Yeah.
Cooper, are you going to help me clean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, baby.